Hey G-Squad, welcome back to episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode is this cool right here, and basically what this is electric hot pot, but they call this the express hot pot. So you definitely use it to cook stuff, or if you guys want to do a hot pot by yourself, you can definitely use it however you guys want to. Eventually it's from the brand called Dash. So for the one that we got right here, it's a capacity of 1.2 liters, and it has a maximum of 100 watts on here when you guys actually use the product. But the cool thing about the product is the fact that give you guys the option to control like the temperature setting on here. So whether it's going to use like the keep warm option, the boil option, or even a simmer option, they definitely have a lot of different options available for you guys. You can see the switch option right here. But see inside right here, they provide you guys some more information and specs that's on here as well. But let's open up and show you guys what's included inside first. Alright, so when you guys first open up, this is what it looks like inside. Let's take everything out. Alright, so first thing we see inside right here, it looks like this might be the recipe that they were mentioning about. So let's open it up. So they provide you guys the user manual inside right here, and they provide you guys a bunch of these recipes as well if you guys want to follow the recipe. Otherwise, you can use it for what you guys want. But right here is the actual product, so let's take it out. Alright, so once we take it out, this is basically what the product looks like right here. So we definitely have the logo right here, and then right here we have the temperature control settings on here. So whether you guys want it off, if you guys want boil, if you guys want to keep warm, or if you guys want to simmer, you can definitely do all of that on here. And right here, you can see they have a very nice handlebar option to actually carry around if you guys need to. And right here on top, they have the lid option. And right here is basically the cable you're going to plug in to activate the product. And we see in the bottom right here, they do have the non-stick material here, here, and here to prevent the product from moving around when you guys set it up. And then for the one that we got right here is the red color. If you guys want another color, they do have different colors available for you guys. So you definitely want to do your own research to see which one you guys prefer. But let's open up the lid and show you guys what the inside looks like first. Alright, so when you open up, this is basically what the inside looks like. So it looks like the bottom part right there is stainless steel, and everything else looks like plastic material. But we see inside right here, they definitely have the maximum line. So you don't want to go above that line when you guys use the product right here. But you can definitely use this product to actually boil water, or if you guys want to make oatmeal, or if you guys want to make noodles, you can definitely use it however you guys want to. And obviously if it's your first time using the product, you definitely want to hand wash it to make sure it's clean before you guys use it. I do recommend washing it with soap to make sure it's clean. And we see inside right here, they do have the little pour option that makes it a lot easier for you guys to actually pour out your liquid or whatever you guys make inside right here. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Let me just go set this up to show you guys how it works, and then we'll come back and talk more about the product in a second. Alright, so when you open up the lid, you guys can see that this is basically actually looks like inside. They have this option right here that you guys can actually pour out really easily. But I'm actually pour some water in first and let's test it out. Alright, let's close back up the lid. And let's turn it on. So I just wanted to keep boiling it. You probably want to just turn the knob right here. But you can definitely see the water inside is definitely boiling, and boiling quite fast. Alright, so it's definitely really hot. Let's turn it off. So you can definitely see the product definitely does work, and it works quite well. So you can definitely use it to boil water, if you guys want to use it for making oatmeal, if you guys want to use it for cooking noodles, you can definitely do all of that on here. But if you want to use this to boil water, and you guys want to pour the water out, you can definitely just go like this. Then just pour the water out. Alright, so the product definitely does work, you can see. Alright, welcome back guys. So now that you saw a quick test of the product, definitely see it actually does work and it's quite well. Super easy to install the product and super easy to use as well. You could basically use this for almost any kind of situation, like I mentioned earlier. If you guys want to pour water, if you guys want to make noodles, if you guys want to make oatmeal, you can definitely do all of that on here. And definitely love the pour option on here as well, so that way it actually makes it a lot easier for you guys to pour like a liquid, or if you guys are making soup or something, you can definitely use it however you guys want to. And I definitely love the lid option as well, because if you guys can see, they have the little holes, so even when you guys have the lid on, you can still pour your liquid out through that option right there. So that is basically everything that's on the product. Now to unboxing and testing the product. Now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for this product in particular, I would definitely have to say that it is super worth it if you guys want one or need one of these. Especially when you get something to save space but can give you guys option to boil water, make oatmeal, make noodles, and the list goes on. If you guys want to look for something that has the option for you guys to do all of that on here, then this is definitely super worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or haven't one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys, so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.